I'd like to tell you about our MicroDose injection device. So this is our MicroDose injection device. It's basically a pneumatic powered syringe. It works with the VFC tubing that comes from your vitrectomy console. So this is typically found in the silicone oil injection pack from your vitrectomy machine. This particular one is from Alcon. The MicroDose is also compatible with the VFC sets from Bausch & Lomb Stellaris and the Dork Eva systems. So you get this from your vitrectomy machine, and this comes from us. Once you have them, basically our device fits right onto their connector, and now you can use the foot pedal control from your machine to deliver a low volume injection. So the next step is to get your injectable into the syringe. To do that, there are two basic ways. The first and simplest way is to take your injectable in a second syringe and inject it directly into the nose of the MicroDose. So that's the simplest way. Then the second way is to draw it in. So you could place a draw needle or cannula onto the tip of the MicroDose, put your machine in aspirate mode, and then draw the injectable in from a vial or however it's delivered to you. Once you have your injectable into the syringe, you place your subretinal cannula onto the tip. You can use a fixed tip subretinal cannula, or you can use an extendable subretinal cannula. It's a standard Luer fitting, so either will work. The next step is to purge out the air and prepare for the injection. So you set your machine in inject mode at a very low setting, like say 5 or 6 psi. Step on the foot pedal and the stopper should move. If the stopper does not move, just raise the injection pressure 1 or 2 psi and try again until you get some movement on the stopper. You need to purge out the air and get the flow set to where you want it that's appropriate for your injection. Once you have the flow rate set the way that you want it, you're ready to do the injection. So you just take the cannula, you go into the eye, you place the tip of the subretinal cannula in the desired location, step on the foot pedal, and it will deliver the injection. So this is a very controlled, very precise way to do these low volume injections. You're not relying on an assistant to manually actuate the syringe, so it's very controlled. Once you set the pressure setting outside the eye, it's going to deliver the same inside the eye. There's almost no fluid waste because the cannula is directly on the syringe, so it's a low waste of the injectable. It's a high precision way to do these injections, and I think you'll find it very helpful for administering these low volume subretinal injections.